In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a contact form in Webador. Start by opening the editing section of your Webador website. If you do not already have a contact page, you can create one by clicking on the Add Page option. Scroll through the available page templates and select the contact form page. You can name this page however you like, and once it is created, a contact form will already be included by default. If you already have an existing page where you want to add a contact form below other content, you can do that as well. Navigate to the exact location on the page where you want the form to appear and click on the Add Section option. From the left-hand side menu, scroll down until you find the Contact option. Click on it and then select the form preset to import it into your page. The contact form will appear along with additional elements such as location fields. If you only want the form itself and do not need the location fields, you can remove those extra elements one by one. After that, click on the heading of the contact form and align it to the center if needed. To adjust the spacing and alignment of the form fields, select the entire section containing the form, click on the gear icon, and turn off the option for field names on top. You can also edit the email address where form submissions will be received so that messages go directly to your preferred inbox. If you want to customize the form further by adding or removing fields, you can click on the Edit Form option. Keep in mind that editing form fields requires access to the Pro feature. Once everything is set up, you can open the preview mode to see how the contact form will look to visitors, and this is how you can add a contact form in Webador.